Hi everybody, welcome to another rendering tutorial. I'm Mark and I'm here with
Cora.
How are you doing today, Cora?
I'm doing good.
Good. All right, you're excited to do our next project?
Mm-hmm.
All right, what are we going to do today?
We're going to do a heart present for Valentine's Day.
Awesome. I'm excited to get started. All right, so grab a piece of paper, a pencil, some Sharpie, and markers, colored markers. All right, and we'll get started. Let's grab our pencil, and ours has an eraser at the end so that we can erase certain parts. And the reason we're doing this is because we want to draw a heart. We want to draw it as almost as big as we can on our sheet of paper. And we're going to start with the heart, right? We're going to do equal sides, right? Mirror image of each other. So we're going to start in the middle of our page. All right, and I'm going to start somewhere about here. And then you can follow along out. Once I do this, I'm going to come up, and you know how to draw a heart, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so go ahead. So
I'm
going to go and stop almost like that. All right. That's it. And then we'll draw the other half of the heart. And you can go whenever you're ready, because I think you know how to draw a heart.
Yep, I always knew how to draw a heart.
And then if you need, see, I made a little mistake here. I just went over, but I'm just going to connect it like that. Now we can put away our pencils and grab a Sharpie marker. Now we're going to start doing, we're going to have like a little bow that's wrapping our heart here. As you can see in the little image in the top right over there. Top left, sorry. I don't know my left and right. Top left. So we're going to start with the center part of our bow. So we're going to kind of do almost like a rounded shape like this. It's going to be rounded that way. There's going to be two lines like this and then like that. And that's going to be, you know, about that size within our heart shapes. There you go. Now, the reason why we use the pencil is because we're going to draw the left side of the ribbon. So we're going to come up like this and we're going to go over the heart.
Yeah, because if we use a Sharpie, we couldn't erase it.
Exactly. If we drew the heart with a Sharpie, you can't erase this part over here.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go from this bottom of this shape we drew here. We're going to go from the bottom. We're going to go out like that to the left. And then we will connect these shapes together with a slight curve to it. And then we'll do similar shape like this over on the right side. So we're going to come up. They don't have to be perfectly symmetrical. It doesn't have to be the same.
Yeah.
And then we'll draw one below, down to the right like that. And then we'll connect them. Like that. Awesome.
It looks so pretty.
Next, we're going to draw the ribbon ends here that are kind of floating like that. So I'm going to start right in here. So just inside of my shape, right about there. We're going to go slightly like inward like that. Okay, and then we're going to come about halfway from here to here. And then we're going to come outwards this way like that. Okay, and now this is going to have an upside down V shape. So we're going to go like this. It's going to have a stop, and then we're going to go this way like that. That's it.
Yeah.
And now we'll do the same on the other side. So we'll start over here, and we'll curve this direction. And this you can make longer or shorter. It doesn't matter. And then over here, I'm going to swing it out this way a little bit more. And then I'm going to come up and connect the end like that. All right, excellent.
I like
now,
the bow.
Our bow is wrapping the heart. So we're going to draw a line straight across. So you can start wherever you want. You want to go through this bow piece, but you don't want to go all the way through. You want to stop, but you want to draw a line. So watch this. You're going to start like this, and then you're going to stop, but you're going to pretend to keep going because it's behind the bow, and then you're going to keep going across like that. So we don't want to go through the bow here that's on top of this band that's hugging the heart. That's it. And then right about here, we can start invisible, 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 and then it's going to come across like that. And you can make your ribbon as wide or thin as you want. So now, see this area here where the heart was? So we can erase that afterwards, but we're still going to use our Sharpie. Okay? And we're just going to trace the heart like that. And then we'll go to the other side.
Sharpie's more harder than using the pencil, because if you mess up, then it won't work.
Yep. And I'll wait for you to catch up.
Yep.
Take your time. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from here so I don't make a mistake and go through it. So I'm going to start here and just come down. Okay, and that's more natural for me to go with my wrist and my fingers to go down than to go up. It's a little easier.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to put some shapes and stuff on your ribbon, I might just do a couple little like polka dot shapes, I think.
I'm going to do stars.
Okay. You can do whatever shape you want, or you can leave it plain. It's up to you. I'm just going to put a couple
I don't know
circles.
why I chose stars, because I'm really bad at doing the stars.
So I'm just going to do something like that, and then the ribbon behind it has a few circles, little polka dots. Just like that.
I'm doing a lot of them.
A lot? That's cool.
So
You can mix it. You can do some stars and some dots. Oh yeah, you're already doing it.
Mine's going to look like a galaxy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
All right, so there's our heart. And let's add some like highlights over here so we give some dimension to our heart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve that follows the heart shape like this. And then I'm going to draw a line on both sides like that. And then I'm just going to follow it almost like a C shape like that.
Like a snake curving around.
And I'm just going to put another one over here, almost like a little rainbow.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
Yeah.
It looks like a rainbow.
Yeah. And then I'll do another one over here, starting right about here, like that. And then I'll put a smaller one over here.
And it's another rainbow.
All right, so we're done drawing our heart. If you want to go in, you can take your eraser, if you have one at the end of your pencil, or if you just grab a eraser that's just an eraser, you can go and erase this spot here. So now we're ready to color, right?
Yep.
So you guys can choose whatever colors. I think my heart's going to be red.
Mine's going to be pink.
Of course, it's going to be pink, but you can do your ribbon whatever color. I'm going to start with the ribbon, though. I'm going to do a yellow ribbon.
Then I'm going to start with the ribbon.
Okay, and I'm just going to go all the way through my shapes. And if you do this, some papers will kind of take the black from the Sharpie and smear it a little bit, like smudge it. So you can be careful. But if you go with like longer strokes like this, just side by side strokes, then sometimes that helps keep the smudging to be not as much. And also another trick to do is to go around the edge of your shape like that, and then you can just go in and fill in.
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, so that's an easier way to do it. Your border is there, and then you can kind of fill in like that. So I'll just outline like this and then fill in like that.
I don't want to go inside of mine because I'm going to make mine
I'm going to use this
different color.
orange here and actually do like just orange polka dots.
I'm trying to go around my stars so I can put them a different color.
A different color, yeah. Mine's going to be orange. Is a shade of yellow, which is just darker. So I could go all the way through as all yellow, but if you want to do your hearts or your stars as like pink or something, it's probably better to go around them like you're doing, Cora.
Yeah. Because then it'll make a different color.
So next, I'm going to use my red. So Cora's finishing up. I'm going to use my red, and I'm going to color in my heart. And I'm going to go and leave and not go inside of these highlights here. Those are going to stay, I think they're going to stay white. Like that. I'm just going to go around those highlights.
I'm still on my bow while you're doing the heart.
It's okay. It's not a race. Alright guys, hope you like this video on a heart with a ribbon. That's it for now. Sign up to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification, because we'll be doing new videos every day, and that way you can see what's coming up next. Right, Cora?
Yeah. Bye,
All right.
guys.
See you guys.
Bye.